Mwancho murigeria bono na gukwanira ndonsi ya soberete kero cyaragire cinsa isano na ibere cyabona mubaso nyororero ne rituko lyabanchi gosa abantu bali bancha ineri manyekanete bona Valentine's Day ekero bona to kuganeria olitware nando nyare ko bagukuricengera n'abamino bali mwancha ine nyora nigo ligokoreka kera omwaka ekerore omutinyo kabere ne kitariki bune cyarero 14 korende otigana nayo rero ninkwareganeretie atari make korogega se studio ekero nero beire go kuyaletera asenchira yobwenge yandra gotubwate wetera se mitandao yaito ya Facebook buna Ndizi TV News nensemo ya YouTube no togotoka buna Ndizi TV News na baigansemo ya Twitter na bogo tweet @Ndizi TV asenchira yobwekiranu kigima kwira nande asegeke kiribosyo egerenko manyinga nararia ya gusena kwareganire kurugaiga se studio. Gongoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita na ande ni gotoko ya chakakorwa se county ya Nyamira ekerorero ababwatani ao bachengere litukeliga lya Valentine's Day goseli tuko lya banchwa rero asenya gitalia nene imeyo mocho Nairobi nigo ababwatani korwa se kyombe kemanyakanete buna Daughters of Baba banyarako bagutarira abasubati bali bebwateranetye na bali banyorire abana elyogo chengera litukeli asoko baorokia obwanchani ekerorero litukoli nene lya Valentine's Day tigatura ligereria nganara lyaya agendreta senyegitalia nene ya Nyamira
lituko lya rero twacha rero Valentine's Day kworokia obwanchani obonene asabangina bali banyoreta abana na abana bali baiboretu lituko lya rero lya Valentine's Day etwaba sponsored na Timothy Bosire aspiring governor Cliff Gesairo and Emily Nyagarama barabo DM asobwanchani bwa umweshimiwa wito Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga.
Donc eno lingambi amuna senje president ito yatoire ambas yatoire liuga yatoire gitamba yatoire ne sanitary ito gwena lingambi amon asenge nchoto konyere
My name is Dr. Mbati Timothy Mokua. I'm the medical superintendent in Nyamira County Referral Hospital. This morning I received a team of ladies known as Daughters of Raila who visited our office and later went to the ward to make the ladies we have in maternity and the children we have in our newborn unit and the pediatric ward smile. I'm aware today is on 14th, a day worldwide celebrated as a day of love, and I believe that is what they came to do, to show love. They brought to us a number of things that can be used by the people they went to visit.
Abo banon Daughters of Raila korwase county ya Nyamira abo batarira abasubati abona ko bayibyegwa ao ekeroreri tuko lyo bwanchani otigana nayo mwanchwa omurigereria oyokoligia ekergo kyobo governor ase county ya Kisii Charles Chweya Matoke nigo bono amoire okoboko omurayo yebwe kiama kia ANC Musalia Mudavadi asogo chamo na guancha gukora imirimo no mokonyi b'umurai bwense Dr. William Ruto. Matoke nigatebire obomo bwa Kenya Kwanza Alliance nigo boraretera ba Kenya amagenderera mange asogosira uchumi. Matoke nigakuriye kerugo kyobo governor se county ya Kisii wetera se kiama kia Amani National Congress.
Murai one we kiama kiane ekorkunga Amani National Congress gekorau no mheshimiwa Wycliffe Musalia Mudavadi nigo kiabwatana ne byama binde bibere kemo gekorkunga Ford Kenya gekorau na Moses Wetangula ne kende gekorau no Murayonde principal ekorkunga Daktari William Samoei Ruto intubu na ANC nigo tole in full support of the partnership asenge nchona bototagete Kenya tocheamo tosoe kugamba amo na indege nteke nene anene gento kiagarete tugachamo na singencho ye model yabo yo guchikora ense guchibosio egotebune yaite gotebanga uchumi bora pesa mfukoni yani nga tika abantu bansi na barabunga tayo bari nga bottom up igonga igo tuigwana ine ase birengererio nga Kenya yetebwanire gusuka guchibosio igonga na into chief principal Chaito Wycliffe Musalia Mudavadi, Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto Daktari the vice president, no Mheshimiwa Moses Wetangula igo tukuba support na ende togotebanga mogendere gotoreta amo mogendere ko baamo tusigetane elinde Kenya yetu na into isike guchibosio.
Kamoranje chora barai bamaroro na barai babwate amagenderero imeyorogongo rwagusi ayo na mangana yoyo kolinya ekergo kyobo jumbe korase bunge anyalibali chache Vincent Sawe oyobono boliria basaye gutatumekwa asogoturubania emesangererekano yabali bakoliya chikura imeyorogongo rwagusi boigo nigatebire nigo baganyerete ensemo ye nominations gokorwa asenchira yobokene nigakwana negetaseni kya Ndizi TV chingaki agitarira abuase boigo akabeire omwaziri w'echipara ase county ya Kisii.
Chenkoro ku Vincent Sagwe omujumbo motarajiwa Nyaribari Chache konya ni gonde omwaziri ase county government ya Kisii na tenenete chipara na ende na korete ministry ya lands na agriculture. Igobono iga ni gongo chikwanda kubolia ekerugo kya Nyaribari Chache. Igongo saba abantu baito ba Nyaribari Chache mochora barai babwate amaona amaya mochora barai babwate chisera chingiya mochora barai babwate chinguru barabakorere gasi ase myaka egocha. Igongo basaba naende nga tochigotwara nomination yerengiya ntobasa gochigotwara oborwanereria naende ekero togochigwaka chikura totwara omorembe ntobasa kogenda twachigosaria emekutano y'abantu bande. Kero monto nabwate kura yaya onye totageti gwakera omonto ekura tiga kogenda gosaria emeroberia bangete agochigokora gosekoreta obotutukanu mono naende nkoboria abasae baito mba basa gwancha gotumika bobe koya gochibesa chinsinini egere gochikoburuga emekutano y'abantu bande gose gochikorama abana siasa bande abasae baito tiga barigereri chisera chia politicians bakikishe nga bachoriro omonto gochikobakonya na inche buna Vincent Sagwe nimbwate emepange emiya ngochikokonya abasae baito na abang'ina na abagaka na abantu bonse ba Nyaribari Chache mbuya mono.
Na baonchorire korwa ase chiro ya Keumbu nigo bono baburire serikali ye county ya Kisii kubaruseria eubi eyo ichire mbarabare ne para asiba gokorera obonchorire bwabo okwana negetaseni kya Ndizi TV niga bonchorire abo baburire serikali eyo kubaruseria eubi eyo ebwatari musuri tindi abwase batabira bono afya yabo nigere ansa kongo.
Sakarieta Prista. Amani na nyabairo. Gakine bire tole. Esteseni ya ito ya Ndizi TV gakitokonye. Onkwaye bagasete togo gaiga. Yani tuwana bantu bakuturusirio bochafu. Wana nebi kuro tole. Oko sabagwa ito kori na ki. Wana kuna tuarusirio ubyantu basaka romo chogo. Wana chama niye tiro ko. Wana ne chama niye na ne tiro.
Igangoro Steven Maginike tonto seito kembu anjero makachoga. Orocha bagna buna barega jonchi yeche chorete eba kachi togo senki anda njiri gotumeka. Wana bagna bakasaba gutwera mata aborete. Ona to kumeti. Bakembura to konya mo nyoro mo je bura igo chenji ku kembu ana usurwe kurwe nyinge. Ona to medi kito mura to konya serikali go serikali ende to ratake eto konya.
Peter Kihungu oyo kabeire omwo chairman gosomo director sensemo ya mache nigo banetigeti emeremo abwigoro na gochakoria ekergo kyobo jumbe ase bunge ya Kangema. Kihungu nigo atebire buna nigo agochakwenekia amagenderero abwasaburiria banasiasa gokora chi campaign chibwato morembe.
Director for Earth, Water until I resigned to join the political part of contesting for Kagema seat. I've been in leadership since 2007, whereby I was a councillor, Kirure Ward. Then I became the chairman of Murang'a County Council between 2007 and 2013. Then I was elected as a MCA, Kanyinyino Ward. Then I became the leader of majority Murang'a County Assembly. Issue of conflict, issue of intimidation has never made anybody to win. Therefore, I wish to call upon other leaders that we are contesting seat. The people that are in this day today are people who are sober. Just sell your agenda. Tell them what you are planning to do for them. Chaos will never deliver any votes for anybody. Yeah. So they meet the government, few projects on water, mostly on water connection and also on irrigation. And also I'm planning also to do much more on these projects which are not complete, and also do much on area to do with road. I have also fought for Murang'a people and also for people who have elected me. When I was the chairman for the council, I advocated for the coffee waiver. When I became the leader of majority, the milestone I did was advocacy on tea reforms, which are...
Na babwatani ba Azimio la Umoja nigo bairete campaign chiabo ase county ya Laikipia. Abwase bamwakirete ekoko omugavana we county eyo Nderitu Murithi oyokoli yake rokyobo governor ase Ntunde ya Kabere. Nderitu nigare omunyakerogo we board ye campaign chomoske Raila Odinga na babwatani balenge komo anene mono abarai bale ababwatani be kiama kya ODM nigo boigo bamomochete mokonyi bomorai bwense William Ruto ase gutatuara masikani gochia somorai bwense Uhuru Kenyatta.
Mimi nilikuwa na noma na Uhuru Kenyatta, sivyo? Lakini noma yangu siku mtusi, nilikuwa namwambia usinidanganye, hiyo sio matusi. Nilimwambia hujaleta maendeleo, waleta maendeleo, sio matusi. Lakini ile nimeona saa hii ni matusi of the highest order. Na mimi nataka kuambia William Ruto, tafadhali heshimu viongozi.
Matusi kwa Rais Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta hatutakubali. And we want to tell the Deputy President, we want to warn you, the Deputy President and your troop, that hautakuwa unatukana mkubwa wako Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta kama tunaangalia. He is not your match. He is not your match. Alikupatia kiti ya Deputy President lakini huna heshima.
Ukiona mwanasiasa na yeye ni naibu ya rais akiamuka, kazi yake ni kumtusi yule ambaye ni rais wa jamhuri. Sasa wewe kijana au mimi, je, atakuheshimu wewe?
Naona juzi kama huyu William Ruto amekwisha hapa Mount Kenya, kura yake yote imehama imeenda kwa Azimio. Wananchi wa Mount Kenya yote wameingia. Sasa wameenda kutafuta reinforcement na support kutoka Mudavadi na Wetangula. Watu ambao walikuwa na sisi ambao ukiweka hao kwa ratili hata watoshi mboga.
Kuna watu kazi yao ni matusi. Na sisi tunasema hatutabishana na wao. Sisi tunataka maendeleo.
Watu wa Mlimani ni watu wajanja sana. Wanaweza wakakuangalia.
No monagaribwe bunge nene Justin Muturi nigobona sabire abarai gusabana siasa bali bakuriye birogo ao imense ito ya Kenya otika koramana chinga kibago kora emekutano yabo nigobaigo asegitira bana siasa gutumeka chinkwana chirabaisa kore tomorembe na tari chiraturubanyo morembe imense ito ya Kenya. Boigo Muturi nigatebete bune kiama kia Democratic Party nkeli ange kubwatesia bamabonde bwensi asengencho nigo gitagete kwegendereria na gucha kurwanirira amabaga asobachori bugucha gokoreka. Muturi nigaya kwaneta ya litukule igoro ase county ya Nyeri.
Kama ni sisi ambao tuko katika mlengo wa siasa, tujiulize ni yapi ambao tungetaka kukumbukwa na vizazi vijavyo. Isikuwe tu ni ile siasa tumeona kila siku hapa Kenya. Matusi kila siku. Huyo anapanda gari pale, matusi just hand insults at your opponents. Unasimama upande ule mwingine, same. Sasa mpaka unashindwa wananchi. Ninangu watasikiza. Even if you have very good ideas, but you listen with such a video, matusi, it all boils down to zero.
No monchoreria omonene Jimmy Wanjigi ritukore igoro na aitwa kobako na bagaka kurwa sensema ya Kabondo Kaspool imeye kaunti ya Homa Bay abwa sagu chakurwanirira ekirgo kibo president wethera setiketi ya ODM. Wanjigi nigatebete buna na chikwenekia amagenderero a senseito ya Kenya abwa samo chatie obomo bwa Azimio la Umoja.
Best placed to take not only this nation but this community into the promised land that was promised by our forefathers. The tragedy of Azimio is even you can see it in the colors. Azimio is blue and red. I don't see the
No mokonyi bomorai wense Dr. William Ruto nigamo chirie abarai bali bakoma machia buna tarabwate sia omorai wense aso gwikerania amaganyo yaba Kenya abwa saba tebire bayire ngora asengencho ngamba manyetie ase bachakirete ere amono morai wense. Ruto nigaya kwaneta ya litukuri igoro asensemo ya Kabarnet ase county ya Baringo chingaki arugwe yakira ekoko ere amono bomo bwa Kenya Kwanza Alliance.
Kwa sababu mulisahau kazi yenu ya upinzani. Saa hizi mnatupatia lecture ya serikali. Serikali mnajua ilitengenezwa lini na wapi. So watu wa upinzani, please, you are a disgrace to the people of Kenya. The people of Kenya gave you a job to do in the opposition to keep government in check. Instead, you became lackeys, you became brokers, you became servants in the administration, and you went ahead to steal from the people of Kenya. Today you want to give me a lecture about the government of Kenya. I want to tell you, the people of the opposition, the former opposition, shame on you.
Nara yogoro mesa ya mangana mayachi insaisano na ibere kulende tomo cha kuligiriria Ndizi TV na inde uchikonyora yo amana yanda mange asenchera yo bwenge chigo cha koraga chinsa ikomi byomana wacho ra kuligiriria Ndizi TV nero bwansu bumugusi tuebanga lero nelituko lyabanchwa gusabanchani limanyakanete buna Valentine's Day igwana bakororeke orae omwanchiogo eventato mino mamo mino ose omoiriogo montonde bwensi oli bwanchete na intokuruga Ndizi TV nigotoko baganeria lituko lyabanchani rigiya gose Valentine's Day byomana sana omusai Jmo asokwene kyabona ebicha na mariogi aikerero mwancho muligereria asenchera yobo ikiranu na Janet Nyamamu nero mwaregani bwa mangana maya na inchena ko yaletera senchera yobwenge nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi ontita.
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'umugusi. Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'umugusi nigo bono yakini kirundekerene nago kurendera chibiche chinkia na boigo chinkeno nukukigima na bogo tonyora